A sale that gave a customer a 1/4 discount. What is the fractional part of the original price that the customer will pay? So the original would be 1 whole. And we'd have 1 whole and we'd be taking off 1/4 of the price. 1 whole is the same as 4/4. And if we subtract 1/4 from that, it leaves us with 3/4 left to pay. 5. Mark bought an electric tablet on sale for 1/4 off the original price of $825. He also wanted to use a coupon for 1/5 off the sale price. How much did Mark pay for the tablet? One thing about these types of problems is you have to do them separately. You cannot combine the 1/4 and the 1/5. It has to be done in 2 different parts. So, if we take 1/4 off, we know we're going to pay for 3/4 of the price. So, 825 times 3/4. If you are putting this in a calculator, you can do 825 times 3 and then divide by 4 because the fraction bar means divide. Or you can put in 825 times 0.75, which is 3/4 as a decimal. And you're going to end up with $618.75. Then he uses the coupon for 1/5 off the sale price. So now we're going to take 1/5 off of the $618.75. If we had a whole and we took off 1/5, that would be the same as 5/5 minus 1/5, leaving us with 4/5 left to pay. So same thing here. You can do 618 times 4 and then divide by 5. Or 4/5 as a decimal is 0.8. So you can do 618.75 times 0.8. Tell me what you get for the final price.